In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install apps on your LG TV. It's the best method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, downloading and installing new streaming services, games, or media utilities on your LG Smart TV is the best way to customize your entertainment system. And on LG's WebOS platform, all installations are handled through a centralized ecosystem. So what you want to do is press the home button or house icon on your Magic Remote to bring up the main dashboard. Navigate through the app ribbon and click on the LG App Store, labeled Apps on Newer Versions or LG Content Store. And then once inside, select the search magnifying glass icon located at the top of the screen, and then type the name of the application you want to download using the on-screen keyboard, or you can use your microphone button on your remote. Then select the official app card from the search results grid, then click the prominent install button on the application details page. Now, as a result, the TV is going to download and install the app in the background. Once finished, you're going to be able to launch it immediately. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.